good morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you're tuning in. My name is April. This is the Frugal Planner channel. And this, my friends, is my last planner that I ordered under $10 off of Amazon. This one's actually $3.99, believe it or not. It is a big one, 25 to 26. So we've got 18 months maybe, I think. We're going to look. If this is a return trip for you, welcome back. We got a nice hardcover. We got double gold coil. Here is your main page. It's really slick paper. It's pretty thick too. And we pop into the quick reference information. I want to make sure, yes, you can see, because it is a very, very big planner. It measures 11 by 8 by 11. 11 by 8, 8 by 11. So we got your quick reference information up here, and then your yearly goals listed down below with check boxes. You have yearly overview for 25 and 26, holidays for 25, 26, and 27. That's pretty nice. You have a whole list of, or a whole 2 pages. Is it just, let me make sure. Yes, 2 pages for contacts, name, address, and numbers. And then this is a July start, so July 2025. So if you're looking at getting into a new planner before the new year, this might be an option for you because it did start in July. Ooh, okay. I really like how large this is. Another thing that I really like are these lined areas on the calendar itself. I really like this look. You've got a short to-do section and notes, and then your before and after months, prior and future. And then it is a Sunday start as well. This isn't like a bold black ink either. It's more like a soft gray, and I like that. It's like a charcoal. So we've got the current month that we are on in the book. So June 30th through July 6th is this first page. These are all going to be the same. I would say the paper quality is copy paper quality. It's thinner. I imagine if you're writing in this with anything but a ballpoint pen or a pencil, you may have some shadowing and bleed through. But for $3.99, this is a heck of a deal. Oh, I also did just notice Monday through Friday are full horizontal sections where the weekend is split up into 2 in one row. So there's some pros and cons about that. For me, I think this could be a really nice work planner if I already hadn't decided on one, and I would just cross this out and use this as like notes or things to do this week and then things to forward to next week. If you are someone who doesn't do a lot of planning on the weekend, this would be a perfect format for you because you only have these small spaces here. Give it some thought. The other thing I would recommend, even though it's only $3.99, try this layout in a spiral notebook and see if you like it first. And then if you love it, go ahead and purchase the planner. Yeah, I think 3 things that really stand out to me in this planner for $3.99 is the size, the lined monthly days, it's a Sunday start, and every month has the to-do, like they've already taken care of the sidebar for you. Like they've given you instructions on what to do. And then the weekly layout is really quite roomy. So I also like that. I have Stark. He's really needy this morning too. Wes just left for Baja this morning, the Baja 400. So of course the cats had to go out at 4 a.m. and now they're like, oh, well, it should be afternoon. Why are you still here, Mom? Why aren't you at work? He's like, give me loves. Who's a good baby? So yeah, this is going to go all the way, all the way through June of 2026. Okay. That's nice. So, academic year, I think that's what it is. at the end of this, I was going to see if there's any note pages. There's one blank page. And then on the back cover, you have kind of a flimsy, but remember, it's only a $3.99 planner. This is just a piece of like shiny paper. Shiny, happy people. And it makes like a pocket. So, I would say for $3.99, it's a deal. $3.99, it is a good deal. You get a really big planner. You're going from the 2025 to the 2026 calendar year. You've got everything that you would need to keep life organized, keep the chaos under control, and it's under $4. Like, I cannot say how surprised I've been to find planners on Amazon under $10, but under $5, under $4. And they are heavy duty covers. So this is going to be portable. You can take it with you if you want to. You can leave it open on your desk. It's neutral. So if you decide you do want to like add, washi tape or markers or pens, I would be careful. I would do a pen test. If I was going to be using this, I would definitely do a pen test and make sure that, there's no bleeding or ghosting, because I'm a little concerned about that with the paper. And I don't want to mark these up because I know I'm not going to be using them. And next month I'm going to be doing a giveaway for all of these that I've shown on the channel, except for the sprinkles one and the monthly one that goes for 3 years, because I'm going to be using those myself. But the other ones I'm going to be doing a giveaway for. So if you are looking at this and you don't want to purchase it, you want to enter the giveaway, try it out in your spiral notebook, give it a whirl, see if the size and the shape and everything and the layout is going to work for you. And then when it comes time for me to do the giveaway, you'll know if you want to enter to win or not. Anyway, let me know down below what you think of this planner, what you think about the weekly with the Saturday and Sunday split and not having full rows and columns for each day, and what you think about the actual monthly layout with the lines. I really like the lines. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for joining me this morning. Again, this will be the last one in the series of planners under $10 from Amazon. I'll keep my eye out and see if I find any more. And then I'll let you know for sure when I'm going to be doing these giveaways and how to enter and all that wonderful stuff. I love you. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.